Good morning to all. I am T. Ramakrishna, Faculty of Physics, Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Bogli branch. Today, I would like to teach the topic Newton's laws of motion from C3. For this topic, Newton's laws of motion. Newton's laws of motion. Newton's laws of motion. For this topic, I would like to take some examples. Let us consider one of the objects. For example, it is one of the object. This object cannot move with respect to time or surroundings. That means that object is at rest position. When will the object move? We push the object. We apply some force on the object. That object getting motion with respect to surroundings. So the position of the object can be changes with respect to time or surroundings is called as motion. So the motion of the body was explained by Newton in three laws. Newton's first law, Newton's second law and Newton's third law. So today we will discuss the topic Newton's first law. Newton's first law. Newton's first law. So according to Newton's first law, unless applied any force on the object, the rest object is at rest position or in uniform motion. For example, here we can take one of the object, board. Unless apply any force on the board is at rest position. Or it continues to be uniform motion. For example, in down positions, you can take one of the object. The net force acting on the object is 0. So the net force acting on the object is 0, but the object getting a uniform motion in a straight line path. So unless applied any force on the object, the rest object is at rest or in a uniform motion in a straight line path. So that is called as Newton's first law. So a body continues the state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless applied any force on the object. So that is called as Newton's first law. The body continues the state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line path unless applied any force on the object. So that is called as the Newton's first law. So what is the importance of Newton's first law? Importance of Newton's first law. Importance of Newton's first law. It gives the property of inertia and definition of force. What is the importance? It gives the property of inertia. The property of inertia. The property of inertia and definition of force. And define the force. Definition of force. Definition of force. So here these two are the importance of Newton's first law. So what is the inertia? What is the inertia? So here inertia. Inertia is the inherent property of the body. Which type of property? Inherent property of the body. So according to this property, the body cannot be changed. The body cannot be changed. The state of rest or uniform motion. The body cannot change the state of rest or uniform motion unless applied any force. So here this property is inertia. So inertia is the inherent property of the body by which of the body cannot change the position or uniform motion in a straight line. So that is called as inertia. So inertia is of three types. This inertia is the mass is the measurement of inertia. Mass is the measurement of inertia. The larger bodies having more inertia, smaller bodies having less inertia. So mass is the measurement of inertia. Mass is the measurement of inertia. Mass is the measurement of inertia. So SI unit of inertia is kilograms. CGS unit of inertia is grams. CGS unit of inertia is gram. And dimensional formula of inertia is capital M, or capital M power 1, L to the power of 0, T to the power of 0. So it is the dimensional formula of inertia. So mass is the measurement of inertia. Next, types of inertia. So here inertia is of three types: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. So here, what is the inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction? So for this, we have to take some examples. A man is traveling in a bus. If the bus suddenly starts, so the man falls backward direction due to inertia. That is the inertia of rest. So wantedly not moving backward, the bus suddenly starts. He moves backward direction due to inertia. That inertia is inertia of rest. So many examples are there. Inertia of rest. You can take carom board. So the coins are arranged in a vertical manner. We apply some force on the bottom coin with the help of the striker. That bottom coin moves some distance, but the remaining coins are falls down. So we cannot apply any force on the remaining coins, but remaining coins are getting motion due to inertia. That is called as inertia of rest. Before those are in rest position, so that's why it is called as inertia of rest. For example, here you can take blanket. The blanket is hit by the stick. So after some time, the dust particles are removed from the blanket due to the inertia of rest. So that is the inertia of rest. What is the inertia of rest? So inertia of rest means it is the inherent property of the body by virtue of its it cannot change the position of the object. It cannot change the position of the rest object. So that is called the inertia of rest. So that is the inertia of rest. Second one is inertia of motion. So next one, so types of inertia. Types of inertia. So inertia is of how many types? Three types. Inertia is of three types. First one is inertia of rest. Second one is inertia of motion. And third one is inertia of direction. So before I gave explanation about the inertia of rest. So here a man is traveling in a bus. So the bus suddenly starts, he moves backward direction due to the inertia of rest. If the moving bus suddenly stops, the man falls forward direction due to inertia of motion. So that is the inertia of motion. For example, an athletic player, long jump player, he is running before he jumps. He is running. That's why due to the inertia of motion, he gets longer distance. He jumps longer distance. So that is the inertia of motion. So before he jumping, he is running longer distance. So due to the inertia of motion, that's why he jumps longer distance. So next, inertia of direction. If the bus is moving in a straight path, suddenly he turns in a curved path. The driver suddenly turns in a curved path. The man moves away from the curved path. Moves away from the curved path due to the inertia of direction. For example, a vehicle in a water, a moving vehicle in a water, we are observing the wheel, the water come out tangentially from the wheel due to the inertia of direction.